BNP Paribas, one of the largest banks in the world, bought a Bitcoin ETF. An ETF is a fund that allows you to invest in Bitcoin without owning it directly. This is a milestone in the financial world. But why is such a traditional bank venturing into cryptocurrencies? This action can change everything. What does this mean for the future of finance? BNP Paribas, a global financial powerhouse, has just made a move that could shake the foundations of the banking sector. They acquired a Bitcoin ETF. For many, Bitcoin is still an unknown, a volatile and mysterious asset. So why would such a traditional bank dive into this world? This move is not just a gamble. It is a clear sign of change. It's the beginning of a new era in finance. What exactly is a Bitcoin ETF? Think of it as a bridge between the old and the new. It allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without the need to own it directly. This eliminates many of the barriers associated with buying and storing cryptocurrencies. BNP Paribas' decision to take this approach suggests that they are ready to modernize their operations and offer new options to their customers. But why now? The answer may lie in the growing demand from investors for portfolio diversification. With the ever-changing global economy, many are looking for assets that offer protection against the inflation and volatility of traditional markets. Bitcoin, despite its own volatility, has proven to be a safe haven for some. BNP Paribas is responding to this demand, and its action may influence other major banks to do the same. The acceptance of Bitcoin by traditional financial institutions like BNP Paribas signals a profound shift in the market. But why now? Large investors are realizing the potential of cryptocurrencies for portfolio diversification and inflation protection. Understand what is behind this strategic decision and how it can influence other financial giants to follow the same path. The timing could not be more propitious for such a significant change. The financial world is constantly evolving, and cryptocurrencies have become a vital part of this transformation. BNP Paribas recognized Bitcoin's disruptive potential and decided to take action. Global inflation and economic uncertainty are forcing investors to look for alternatives. Bitcoin, with its limited supply and decentralized nature, offers a unique solution. BNP Paribas' decision to adopt the Bitcoin ETF is a response to these economic pressures. But why will other banks follow BNP Paribas' lead? The answer lies in the relentless search for innovation and competitiveness. Financial institutions are always looking for new ways to attract customers and increase their profits. The acceptance of Bitcoin allows them to offer innovative products that meet the demands of modern investors. In addition, the adoption of cryptocurrencies by major banks can bring a sense of legitimacy and security to a market that is still viewed with skepticism by many. This strategic shift could have a ripple effect on the financial industry. Other banks, seeing the success and positive response to BNP Paribas' decision, may feel the need to adopt cryptocurrencies so as not to be left behind. Competition in the financial industry is fierce, and innovation is key to staying relevant. BNP Paribas' move may just be the beginning of an institutional revolution in crypto, bringing a new era of financial acceptance and integration. BNP Paribas' purchase of the Bitcoin ETF opens doors for new investments. This makes it easier for traditional investors to enter the cryptocurrency market. How will this work in practice? Find out how this decision can simplify Bitcoin buying for investors large and small, making the process safer and more regulated. Investing in Bitcoin has always been a challenge for many. Volatility, lack of regulation, and technical complexity have driven away traditional investors. But now, with BNP Paribas buying a Bitcoin ETF, that scenario is changing. ETFs are well-established and regulated financial products, offering a safer and more family-friendly way to invest in cryptocurrencies. This means that more people will be able to enter the Bitcoin market without the usual worries. How will this work in practice? Bitcoin ETFs will be listed on stock exchanges, just like other traditional ETFs. Investors will be able to buy and sell them just as easily as stocks or bonds. This democratizes access to Bitcoin, allowing both large institutions and small investors to participate. In addition, the strict regulation of ETFs ensures greater transparency and security for everyone involved. This change is a game changer for the cryptocurrency market. With the entry of major banks like BNP Paribas, Bitcoin gains an additional layer of legitimacy. This can attract even more institutional investors, increasing market liquidity and stability. BNP Paribas' decision to adopt a Bitcoin ETF is not just a step towards innovation. It's a clear sign that cryptocurrencies are becoming an integral part of the global financial system. The entry of a major bank into the cryptocurrency market could further stabilize and legitimize Bitcoin. This can attract more institutional investors and bring greater price stability. What does this mean for the value of Bitcoin? And how can other banks respond to this BNP Paribas initiative? Let's explore the potential consequences of this audacious move. BNP Paribas' entry into the cryptocurrency market cannot be underestimated. When a financial giant like BNP Paribas buys a Bitcoin ETF, it sends a strong message to the market. This suggests that Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative asset, but a legitimate and valuable asset class. This can increase investor confidence and reduce the volatility associated with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price stabilization could make it a more attractive option for investors who were hesitant. This newfound legitimacy may attract an influx of institutional capital. Large investors, such as pension funds and insurance companies, may start considering Bitcoin as a part of their diversified portfolios. This could significantly increase the demand for Bitcoin, potentially driving up its value. Additionally, the participation of major banks could lead to more financial innovations, such as new crypto-related products and services, further benefiting the market. Other banks will certainly be keeping an eye on this BNP Paribas initiative. Competition in the financial sector is intense, and no one wants to be left behind. If BNP Paribas' decision to invest in a Bitcoin ETF proves successful, it is likely that other major banks will follow suit. This could create a domino effect, with more and more financial institutions entering the cryptocurrency market. The result? A more robust, diverse, and stable cryptocurrency market, with greater acceptance and integration into the global financial system. With BNP Paribas investing in Bitcoin, new opportunities appear on the horizon. Investors should keep an eye out for changes in the market and new offerings of financial products linked to cryptocurrencies. How can you take advantage of this trend? Here are tips on how to position yourself to make the most of this financial revolution and the opportunities it presents for investors of all sizes. BNP Paribas' entry into the Bitcoin market is not just news, it's an opportunity. For investors, large and small, this means that the time to consider cryptocurrency investments is now. With increased institutional acceptance, Bitcoin and other digital assets are becoming more accessible and secure. This creates an environment conducive to new investments and financial innovations. Being ahead of this trend can be the key to maximizing returns and diversifying portfolios intelligently. Crypto-related financial products like ETFs are just the beginning. Over time, we will see the development of more financial instruments that make it easier to invest in cryptocurrencies. This includes mutual funds, options, and futures, all of which are tailored to meet the needs of modern investors. Taking advantage of these opportunities requires a good understanding of the market and a well-planned investment strategy. Being informed and ready to act can make all the difference. In addition to financial products, the cryptocurrency revolution brings opportunities in other sectors. Financial technology companies, blockchain startups, and even traditional industries can benefit from this change. Investors looking for diversification may find unique opportunities in these areas. The key is to stay up to date with market trends and be willing to explore new horizons. BNP Paribas' decision to invest in a Bitcoin ETF is just the beginning of a new era of financial opportunities.